was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Purple.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe.
Pink.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red
Red.
wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Green.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true.
Green.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is
Green.
true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Now it's time to race. Here they go. Whoa, who's gonna win? It's Mickey. Hey, where are they going? They're coming back. I think it's time for a bath. Let's hop in. Oh no, what's in my bathtub? Gross. I think that might be lungs. How disgusting. It's sticky and stretchy. Time for a snack. Oh no, who put slime in the refrigerator? Disgusting. There's an eyeball in there and it's looking at me. Oh, rough day. It's time for bed. Whoa, what's all this shaking? Ah! Whoa, what's that? It's a bunch of surprise foam balls. Let's open one up and see what's inside. Okay. Oh, this foam is very stretchy. It's Pluto. Look how cute and so round. Let's see what he does. Pluto's a rolling toy. Let's see what he does. Wow, he turns over and over. Here he comes back again. Let's see what's hiding in the blue foam. Super stretchy. Who could it be? I see an ear. And look at that, it's Goofy. Let's see how Goofy works. Whoa, go Goofy, watch out. Let's go this way now. Oh yeah, Goofy. Wow, and back the other way. Now who could be inside this red foam? Let's open it up and see. Oh, I see a little tail. Who is it? It's Mickey Mouse. Here goes Mickey. Oh, watch out, Mickey. Behind the stairs. Now they're gonna race. Here they go. Whoa, guys, watch out. Who's in the lead? It's Mickey. Where's Goofy going? Now it's time to race. Here they go. Whoa, who's gonna win? It's Mickey. Hey, where are they going? They're coming back. Hey guys, did you bring any surprises? Yep, they're all over the house. Huh? You have to go find them. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, let's see if there's one in the bathroom. Oh, I see a My Little Pony toy in the tub. Oh, let me check in the refrigerator. It's another My Little Pony surprise, and this one's round. Oh, now my bedroom. What's this? A Finding Dory mashup in my bed? Oh, right. Now I'll check the living room. It's a Paw Patrol micro light behind the TV. Let's check the bathroom one more time. Oh, it's a Tuesday's blind bag behind Mickey in the tub. Silly Mickey. Let's check out all the surprises that Peppa found. Let's start with this Finding Dory mashup. Okay, let's open it. All right, we're about to find out who it is. Who is that? I know that blue fish. It's Dory. She is so adorable. And we squished Dory. And again, she's super stretchy too. Sorry about that, Dory. Now what's next? It's the Tuesday's blind bag. We'll get one baby and one pet friend. Okay, let's open it up. All right. We've got a little baby with a brown cat head on her. And what's the pet? Oh, be careful, little baby. It's a snake, but I think it's a friendly one. Now let's see. What's in this round squishy pop? All right. Let's pop it open. Oh, I've got to open the little bag to find out. Here we go. We got two beautiful yellow beads, and they're kind of see-through. Really pretty. Now what's in this My Little Pony surprise? Let's see. Let's open it up. What's our surprise? It's a crystal Pinkie Pie. She is so pretty and translucent. Let's hear her pop. It's so much fun. Peppa's got one last surprise here, and it's a Paw Patrol microlight. It says, "Just squeeze me." Let's check it out. All right, it's Zuma. Let's see how Zuma can light up. We turn him to the bottom and give him a squeeze. So much fun. Thanks, Zuma. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you remember what was hiding in the slime in the bathtub, be sure to leave it in the comments section. And if you'd like to see more from our surprise Mickey and Pluto and Goofy rollers, then be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time.